Oh my god. We could literally hear the bats. अरे थांब थांब काय नाही होणार. Hello AV Squad. Once again. Take 2. Namaskaram AV Squad. Welcome to another vlog. Right now we've checked into another property. This is
Flower Hill Resort,
yes.
and look at the view.
We still don't know where are we exactly staying. That's the office, the reception office. Let's go. So from the reception we are heading right to the room. And yes, yete me. And this is the room. Quite spacious. This is the bed. We have a small seating area over here, and there's a wardrobe kind of a situation here. Yeah, wardrobe, small mini wardrobe with a mirror, dressing table kind of. And we have the locker, some space. Ooh, अच्छा है. And come. Again, the best part. Look at that. Oh my god. Okay, I'll show you this chair. I hope you need but okay. So you sit, okay, and then you recline. Amazing. And ये लोकेशन भी ढूंढ के निकाला है पतिदेव ने. Again, what a job. And also the plan, the itinerary for the next 2 days is somewhat like this. So 3 या 4 तक हम chill करेंगे, फिर उसके बाद हम जाएंगे
Kayaking.
yes,
Mangrove
Park. And after that we'll come back home. We'll enjoy this property, we'll stay here. फिर कल का plan ये है कि कल हम लोग सुबह सुबह उठ के जाएंगे जटायु and
Elephant Park.
and then South Cliff. South
Yes.
Cliff or North Cliff, that we'll decide because that's pending.
North Cliff.
North Cliff.
Oh, shopping, walking.
Correct, shopping and happening place it is. So we'll go there. It's like they call it the mini Goa. It seems.
Yes.
Heading out for lunch at some nearby restaurant, which is like just walking distance, they say. And that's the restaurant we are supposed to go. Blue Water.
Ah, it's a resort.
Blue Water Resort, okay. बारिश नहीं आना चाहिए, ऐसा लग रहा है कि आएगा.
लग रहा है हवा ठंडा ठंडा. That one thing is not in my mind. I can just breathe.
We have arrived here, so Aqua Heaven.
Sorry.
Why are you disturbing my frame, yeah?
Hurry, I was trying to capture.
So we've reached here. Now let's see what's the procedure. So that's where we are supposed to go, I guess. Yeah. We are going there through this. Meet Deva, our new friend. Okay, so we've reached I Love Aqua Heaven, you know?
Yeah,
We've reached Aqua Heaven basically.
Yeah.
And we inquired about the kayaks and everything.
So we are doing sunset kayaking.
Yeah, sunset kayaking. And so there are 2-3 time slots. One is first is just for 1 hour. You can
Oh,
go. That is for I think 1,000 for couple.
Yeah.
Then the other one is for 2 hours, which is
1600.
1600 something around that for a couple.
Apart from kayaking, there are various other activities such as horse riding, rice bowl, etc. etc. We'll list down over here.
Yes.
And we'll also mention the link for Aqua Heaven. You can go and check out.
Yup.
Bush also. Very important part is the three part. Just when you go into the kayaking, very important for the two sides of paddle.
That's Girish, our kayak guide. We could literally hear the bats. In the middle of the mangrove forest with your husband. What else do you want in life?
Yeah, I am doing all the men.
Hey, मी आत्ताच break घेतला. I've just taken a small break and he's saying this. And that's us. Where the wife is chilling and the husband is killing it. There's a lot of crowd here. So this is the spot where people like who like swimming can get off the kayak and the boards and swim. Wow, sunset. Watching the sunset from a kayak is just something different. After the kayaking, heading back to the hotel, which is 20-25 minutes far, actually 30 minutes. And let's go. Good morning. Heading for breakfast and then next is Jatayu
Jatayu Earth Center.
and then the elephant park. और यहाँ पे फिशिंग के लिए तैयारी चल रही है. It seems they are opening their net. So nourishing and fresh.
Yeah, fresh,
Healthy. So after an amazing breakfast, we are having our coffees. But this boy, तो फ्रूट बोल ख़त्म क्यों नहीं किया?
अरे उसमें कितना फ्रूट्स था?
So that is our rig guy who is gonna take us to the Jatayu. Let's finish off our coffees. Yay! So we are finally here at the Jatayu Earth Center.
And the weather is so pleasant.
Pleasant, surprisingly
Yeah.
it's pleasant. I mean, नीचे यहाँ पे आने के बाद firstly you have to, there are two options, either you walk.
There are 826 steps,
Hmm.
and people say those are very steep. Otherwise, you can take a cable car like we did.
Yeah, we'll mention the rates here.
Yes.
And
It takes hardly 5 to 7 minutes by cable car.
okay.
Wow.
So we need to select one. And it did rain finally. जो हमें लगा था वहाँ पे जटायु पे ही जब क्लाउड्स हमने देखे, and it did rain.
Elephant park.
Yes. And there are different options also. Like it's not just about elephants.
Yeah, there are
But
reptiles.
yeah, reptiles. लोग हाथ में लेके उसके साथ भी
हाँ,
फोटो
सांप,
निकाल
सांप,
सकते
सांप.
हैं. And also birds.
Birds.
Yeah,
There are a lot of birds.
birds as well. And there's an elephant ride as well if you all want.
Hey, elephant.
Oh my
There is a
god.
camel as well here.
Shit. It's not a statue now.
No,
Okay,
no,
it's
no,
not
no.
a statue. Shit. Oh my god. Cutie camel.
ये 3 एलिफेंट्स हैं जो बड़े हैं, उनको टाई करके रखा है अभी.
हाँ.
और वहाँ पे एक छोटी फीमेल एलिफेंट है.
Oh, cuties. These guys are letting us take a picture with the elephant. Otherwise, वो लोग 3 बजे के बाद ही
हाँ.
फोटोज के लिए देते हैं. But we
Gotcha.
requested them कि हम लोग
Yeah.
मुंबई से आए हैं.
Because it's hot.
Yeah. No, because it's hot. That's why they don't.
Allow.
मम्मी.
Go, go. नहीं दादा काय नाही करणार.
What's her name? अरे थांब थांब काय नाही होणार. Oh. So Ganga is trying to eat. Not trying, but yeah, she is eating. That's the
Female ostrich.
Varad's favorite. क्या बोल रहा था तू?
कुठं?
अशफत.
हम लोग अभी टर्की नहीं जाने वाले.
And here we have the, what's this bird? Macau bird. So you can take photos here with the Macau bird. We are also gonna try taking one. You're not scared?
No.
The Macau bird is literally eating his ear, biting his ear. Oh my god. Now I'm scared. तो फिर भी लेगा? ओके ले ले. बस तेरे बाल ना खाए वो. मेरी फेवरेट है.
नहीं खाएगा.
Damn.
How pretty.
Yeah.
Less than you.
Oh. We've reached back to our resort. ओए, एक हाथी अडॉप्ट कर सकते हैं अपन वैसे, लाइक आफ्टर गोइंग देयर.
ना पागल वगल है. उसका रोज का 25,000 30,000 खर्चा कौन उठाएगा?
तू.
क्या तू उसको 20-20 किलो एप्पल लगता है रोज. किधर से लाएगा? मम्मी मारेगी. कुत्ता नहीं ले दिया है, एलिफेंट ले.
Why this accent?
Hello.
So we are going to the South Cliff, yeah. But South Cliff को जाने के लिए you need to go through a cafe, है ना?
Yes.
So there is Sarva Cafe,
And
then there is
Trip is
Trip
Life.
is Life, which we've already went to. So we are not going there now. So we are going to Sarva Cafe. So the main point of going to the cafe was to see the sunset from the cafe and the cliff. But the weather had some other plans. It's raining. The sun is not there. We can just see the clouds. If you could see, that's the rain. It's raining at that side. So because of which there are clouds all around. तो हम लोग थोड़े से डिसअपॉइंटेड है because
No sunset today.
yeah, it's raining there.
बारिश.
हाँ, and the weather is now like gloomy. Otherwise यहाँ से व्यू बहुत अच्छा दिखता and photos भी बहुत अच्छे आते.
It's like a beach,
But
बहुत
ठीक है.
beautiful.
I just hope it doesn't like rain today. This is the way to the cliff. which is quite steep. But right now we are not going there because it might get dark soon. Our food is finally here. What is it?
This is Afghani chicken wrap and this is chocolate peanut butter smoothie. So we are back at our resort and today's day was fun. First half was very fun and second half was a bit dull.
Not dull,
बट बारिश की वजह से थोड़ा मूड ऑफ हुआ
एक्चुअली हाँ
हाँ।
थोड़ा सा मतलब ऐसे लगा
कि
कि
सनसेट के लिए हम गए थे बट सनसेट नहीं देखने मिला
Yes.
बट ठीक है
खाना भी ओके ओके था मतलब
हाँ।
सर्वा कैफे द नेम ऑफ द कैफे इज इट आई थिंक इट्स अ लिटिल ओवर हाइप
या
डोंट यू थिंक सो
बट द व्यू फ्रॉम देयर इज
या द व्यू इज रियली गुड
Good.
मतलब व्यू अच्छा और हो सकता था
हाँ।
हमारे लिए बट अदरवाइज द लोकेशन ऑफ दैट
हाँ, और
कैफे इज क्वाइट गुड
वहाँ से आप नीचे भी जा सकते थे बट हमें
Yeah.
ऐसे ही अंधेरा हो गया था
So we did
सनसेट
not
भी
go.
नहीं था तो हम गए नहीं फिर वहाँ से हम नॉर्थ क्लिफ गए थे कि वहाँ हमने बहुत सुना था कि वहाँ फ्ली मार्केट है वाइब अच्छा है बट शायद ये भी हमारे नसीब में नहीं था
No, I think it's because abhi it's
Off
not like it's
season.
off season, right? We are
Yeah.
here in mid May,
हम्म,
maybe because of that.
यस
Hmm.
और वहाँ से हम आ गए वापस
Yes, so that's it for this vlog, guys. Wait for our next vlog of the
Yes.
Kerala series. That's it for the Varkala town. And moving on, we are heading to
कुमारकम टुमारो एंड LAP डे आफ्टर टुमारो
yes.
सो दैट्स इट
Bye.
बाय